Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study from the Arjuna batch. First, establish a clear study routine. Begin by creating a detailed daily timetable, ensuring you allocate specific time for each subject. Prioritize topics based on their importance and your personal understanding. This structured approach helps you cover all material efficiently and consistently, making the most of your learning journey with the Arjuna batch. To maximize your lecture effectiveness, engage actively. Watch each lecture with full concentration, taking brief, meaningful notes. If a concept seems challenging, pause the video and review it until you grasp it completely. Actively solving the example problems shown during the lecture reinforces your understanding and prepares you for independent practice. This method ensures deep learning. Consistent practice and revision are crucial for success. After completing a lecture, immediately solve the associated daily practice problems. This helps solidify new concepts. Dedicate specific time slots for regular revision of all previously studied topics. Additionally, take mock tests frequently to evaluate your understanding and identify areas needing more attention. This cycle strengthens your knowledge base. Don't let doubts accumulate. Address them promptly using the available doubt-solving platforms. Your well-being is also paramount. Ensure you maintain a balanced diet and get sufficient sleep each night. Incorporate short, regular breaks into your study schedule to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. A healthy body and mind are essential for sustained focus and effective learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.